Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing the environment so Jupyter runs cleanly. First, confirm Homebrew and Python 3 are installed. Homebrew simplifies package management. Once done, create and activate a virtual environment to isolate packages. You do this with Python 3 mvenv. Venv, then source. venv/bin/activate. This prevents version conflicts when you install Jupyter later. Make sure the active Python is the one you intend, because installing into the wrong environment causes headaches down the line. Now install Jupyter into the activated environment using pip. Choose Jupyter Lab for a modern interface or notebook for classic. Once installed, optionally generate a config file to customize ports, token behavior, or notebook directories. You'll usually start the server with Jupyter Lab or Jupyter Notebook. If you prefer remote access, start with no browser and port equals 8888, then forward ports or use SSH tunneling. Make sure to note the token printed in the terminal. It's used to finish by opening your browser to localhost 8888 and authenticating with the terminal token, or set a password in the config for convenience. If you need other kernels, install ipykernel and register the environment so notebooks use the correct Python. Once notebooks run, save often and shut down kernels from the UI. If something breaks, first confirm you activated the right virtualenv, and that path points to the same Python. Reinstalling Jupyter inside that environment usually resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.